Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 10. Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will be start in 5 seconds. The minister knows that the administrative staff college in Hyderabad is a premier institution running on excellent lines. Stop. But you have given just rupees 2.5 lakhs as grant in this year's budget. Stop. I suggest such an organization must be encouraged. Stop. Similarly, for the scientist going abroad, you have provided only rupees 1.25 lakhs in the budget. Stop. It is a very small amount. Stop. This should be increased. Stop. The Education Ministry should lay more stress on the extracurricular activities of the students. Stop. Study tours, excursions, the NCC and the NSS should be given encouragement. Stop. The earn as you learn has also to be encouraged. Stop. It has not picked up in our country, but we should give more encouragement to this scheme. Stop. Because in a poor country like ours, there are many students from the middle class families. Stop. If you can introduce a scheme like earn as you learn, at least in some centers on an experimental basis, that would be helpful. Stop. Regarding the role of the student unions, also you must review, because in certain universities like Delhi University and some other universities, elections to these unions are comparable to the general elections, and most of the time of the students is being lost in the direct elections. Stop. In earlier days, the student unions were formed by indirect elections. Stop. The class leaders used to be elected, and those leaders used to elect the executive of the union. Stop. Whether we should go back to that system should be examined because of the role of the students union. Stop. I don't want abolishing of the unions as a whole, but a different method for elections to these unions must be examined. Stop. Then I strongly oppose any move for an all India service in education. Stop. If you have got any thought like that, we will firmly oppose it, and all the non-Congress states are opposed to any new all India service, particularly in education, because teachers going from one place to another would not help. Stop. It will not help at all. Stop. Regarding adult election, also the literacy rate in 1951 was 16%, and it has just come to 36% in 1981 after 30 years. Stop. Just you have 20% increase. Stop. There are still 425 million illiterates in this country, and if you take the 15-35 years age group, they are now 210 million. Stop. It is a very explosive situation. Stop. You must do something to remove adult illiteracy. Voluntary organizations should be encouraged to take up this task. Stop.